Hi, this is Jason from Nations Bus, California. Today we're looking at a 2018 Revability Promaster Transit unit. This unit is on a Ram 2500 chassis. It's a 3.6 liter V6 gas engine. It's a 6-speed automatic transmission. In the back there's a rear wheelchair lift. It's a Ricon series. Sunscreen window glass, solid windows. Stainless steel running boards on both sides, wheel covers. A manual sliding door. 3 passenger seats with 3-point seat belts. A high density poly flooring with an L track. Rear AC and heat, AM FM CD player. This is a new bus with warranties, and it is ready and available for purchase.